FM demodulation. Good day! In this video, I'm going to explain the FM demodulation and its configurations. FM demodulation is also called FM detection, and sometimes the phrase FM discrimination is used, although this term tends to be used with older circuits and technology. FM demodulation is a key process in the reception of a frequency modulated signal. Once the signal has been received, filtered, and amplified, it is necessary to recover the original modulation from the carrier. It is this process that is called demodulation or detection. We concurred to plan a circuit utilizing stage voltage circle to demodulate our FM. The PLL FM demodulator identifies and gives fabulous execution and does not require numerous or any alteration in fabricate. This sort of circuit is effectively joined inside an coordinate circuit and can hence be included with exceptionally small incremental taken a tool to an by and large collector chip, and subsequently the radio receiver. This sort of circuit implements the concept of limiting the distinction stage between two signals, a reference flag and a neighborhood oscillator, to reproduce the reference flag recurrence. Utilizing this concept, it is conceivable to utilize PLL for numerous applications, from recurrence synthesizer to FM demodulators and flag reconstitution. So this type of a circuit produces a signal that is proportional to the phase difference between the incoming waveform and the output of the VCO. So the loop filters these signals, which then becomes the control signal for the VCO. Thus, if the frequency of the incoming signal is constantly increasing and decreasing, so the VCO control signal has to increase and decrease accordingly to ensure that the VCO output frequency remains equal to the input frequency. In other words, the output of the loop filter is signal whose amplitude variations correspond to the input frequency variations. This is how a PLL accomplishes frequency demodulation. So, when it comes to a frequency modulation, applications to the radio transmission is most common and has a higher signal to noise ratio, so which gives a significant advantages into a radio transmission. As a result, there is a little radio frequency interference, so this is one of the primary reasons why many radio stations use FM to transmit music. As a fundamental, receiving a frequency modulating signal is FM demodulation. So it is important to recover the original modulation from the carrier after the signal has been received, filtered, or amplified. Demodulation or direction is the term used to describe this procedure. So in this presentation, we created and used some ICs like 4046 and 4136 IC numbers, some capacitors and resistors. So this is now the final output of our circuit. This is now the final output of our circuit diagram by demodulating a frequency demodulated signal. So that's all for our video presentation. Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice day and keep safe.